Are your emails landing in spam? Frustrated with poor open rates? You're not alone. Introducing Amplemarket, the ultimate solution for email deliverability. Our tool allows you to monitor all your mailboxes and domains effortlessly. First, manage your email authentication with ease using SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. No more emails flagged as spam. Second, track your inbox to outbox ratios to optimize your email workflow effectively. Third, get actionable insights into email volumes, spam tests, and warm-ups, all in one centralized platform. What sets us apart? Our ultimate email deliverability guide for 2024 is free to download. Learn our proven tactics to maintain open rates above 70%. Don't let your emails get lost. Download our ebook now and start optimizing your deliverability.